Welcome back, everybody. Today I have a little knife pack, of course, Camillus. Picked this up at local Menards. They had them there. Figure why not take a look at them, see if they're good for EDC pocket knife. It does come with two knives. One is serrated, one is not, and a pull-through sharpener. As you can see, they're made with 420 stainless steel blade. They each have a pocket clip. They are liner lock and the glass-filled nylon handles. They are 2.75 inch blade with a 6.5 inch overall. So they're not too big. It's a little bit decent if you want something smaller, or maybe as a starter pocket knife for a family member. Let's crack these open and take a look. Start with the green one here. Initial impressions are it feels light. I don't like the liner lock. I don't like it. It seems a little bit, it's too far in. Can't quite get a grip on it. You almost have to get a fingernail in there to pull it. So I don't like that. The knife is very sharp, as we've grown to know for Camillus knives. Oh, mouth. I like the small, compact nature of it. Flips out rather nicely. I guess now that I'm working on it, it's a little bit nicer to push that liner in, but still not, I don't really like that one as much. Black one doesn't have the little knobby, which I prefer the little knobby over the open hole. Again, very sharp serrations. The liner on this one seems a lot better. You can see you can actually get into it, where that one has a little divot to get into it. That one's divot isn't quite as noticeable. This one does have that if you want to put a lanyard on it or something, or a monkey fist. Okay, and then of course your keychain standard sharpener. You've seen one, you've seen them all. Okay, so knives. I'm going to give these a 4 out of 10 to the green one, and I'll say a 5 out of 10 for the black one. But as a whole, 4.5. I mean, I think the pack was $14, and I got it on sale for like $8. So for $8, two wildly mediocre knives to maybe let the kids use. I don't know. They're fine. And remember, always be prepared.